How to download Webcam driver for Windows 10. First, turn on your computer or laptop and connect your device to the internet. After that, open any web browser like Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge. Now go to the search bar at the top and type Webcam tests, then press Enter on your keyboard. Once the website opens, look around the home page and find the option that says Download Drivers. Click on it to open the driver download page. Now the website will ask you to choose your operating system. Here, you need to select the correct Windows version installed on your computer. For example, if your PC uses Windows 10 64-bit, then choose Windows 10 64-bit. If you are using a 32-bit version, then select Windows 10 32-bit instead. Choosing the correct version is very important because the wrong driver may not work properly on your computer. After selecting your Windows version, you will see the Webcam driver download link. Click on the download option and wait a few moments for the file to download completely. The driver file is usually saved inside the Downloads folder on your computer. Once the download is complete, open the file and follow the installation steps shown on the screen. After installing the driver, restart your computer so the webcam can work properly. That's it. Your webcam driver has now been successfully downloaded and installed on your Windows PC. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.